Trucking accident cases, they're not like regular car crashes. And this is a mistake that a lot of personal injury attorneys make, is not knowing the difference between the two. And with trucking accident cases, it's not just one driver against the other driver. It's the injured victim against the truck driver, against the trucking company, and any other responsible parties, which are typically going to be bigger corporations. And you need a lawyer who's experienced in going up against commercial trucking companies, who knows how to handle these cases from the start. And particularly, you need a firm that's a boutique practice that is going to be able to dedicate the time to help you and your family get the justice that you deserve. If this helps, subscribe so you know what to do if this ever happens to you. I'm Rob Hardigan. I'm a personal injury attorney here in Boston, Massachusetts. Trucking companies are some of the most aggressive defendants out there. They will do anything to absolve themselves of liability, bury the evidence, and to make sure that they walk away clean without any sort of responsibility. And here at Lionheart Injury Law, because we're a boutique practice, we have the time and can dedicate our resources to making sure that we uncover all the tricks that these trucking companies try to play to make sure that they're held accountable. Trucking accident cases, they're not like regular car accidents. In fact, they're quite different. And this is a mistake that a lot of personal injury attorneys make, not knowing the difference between the two and how to handle them. And that can be a huge difference as far as the outcome of your case goes. In a regular car accident case, you're going to have the car accident victim versus the at-fault party. But when it comes to trucking accidents, you're going to have the injured victim against the truck driver, the trucking company, and possibly multiple responsible entities. Maybe it's a wheel manufacturer, and you need a personal injury attorney experienced in commercial trucking accidents to know how to navigate all those different defendants and different theories of liability to make sure that you get the justice that you deserve. Mistake number one is treating your commercial trucking accident case like a regular car accident. And this is a mistake that a lot of personal injury attorneys make, is not knowing the difference between the two. And when we're dealing with commercial trucking accidents, there's federal regulations that come into play. One example is how many hours that a commercial truck driver can drive on the road at any given week. And these are regulations that your attorney needs to know in order to successfully prosecute your case. And again, when it comes to commercial trucking accidents, there's so many layers to these cases because it usually involves multiple defendants, critical data such as black box data, maybe video inside the truck that your attorney needs to know to get in order to successfully prosecute your case. And without that evidence, you could really be behind the eight ball and your case could be screwed up from day one. Mistake number two is waiting too long to get medical care. Now, typically in commercial trucking accidents, these are going to be more severe injuries that are involved. But in the event that it's not a catastrophic injury, if you wait too long to get medical treatment, it just allows the insurance company to say your injuries aren't that bad, minimize them, which at the end of the day could result in a low settlement offer for your case. So you definitely want to get medical treatment right away and follow the advice of your doctors. Mistake number three is trusting the trucking company's insurance adjuster. Make no mistake about it. They're not on your side. They're doing whatever they can do to help themselves by locking you in to give a recorded statement to try to use something that you say later on against you in the case. Again, they might sound like they care, but they're just players in the game. And they're only looking out for their best interests and not yours. Mistake number four is when critical evidence, such as black box data or video, driver logs, ends up disappearing because you didn't hire a lawyer right away who could get that preservation of evidence letter out to the trucking company to tell them that they can't do anything with that evidence and they need to secure it so that it's available for your attorney to inspect later on. Mistake number five is hiring a personal injury lawyer that has no commercial trucking experience. And this is really a huge mistake because if you hire a lawyer with no commercial trucking experience, they're not going to appreciate how intense, how fast moving these cases are and all the critical evidence that needs to be gathered for your case to be successful. Trucking accident cases, they're not for beginners. You really need an experienced attorney who knows how to litigate and appreciate how complex trucking accident cases are. And you really need a personal injury attorney who's going to be able to dedicate the time and the resources to make sure that your case is handled the right way. You don't want a personal injury attorney who has hundreds of cases and that they're being pulled in multiple directions. You need somebody who's going to be there for you every step of the way. The trucking companies, they have a playbook, but so do we. And we don't let them run out the clock on your case. If you've been involved in a commercial trucking accident, please reach out so that we can get started on your case right away and make sure that the trucking companies are held liable and responsible for your injuries and damages.